Welcome guys to another new feature release by us at Zenler. So this is blog post visibility. So now we have added the feature to be able to set the blog post so it's visible for logged in or registered users. We've also set the ability to be able to set that per actual member student as well. So I'm going to show you how to do this now. It's a great new feature that you asked for, so us at Zenler have created this for you. So with the new post visibility settings, on each post you can set the visibility of the blog post to be public, private to logged in users, or just to members of certain courses or bundles. Okay guys, let's jump in and see what's different. So as you can see, I'm in the blog. This is under site blog settings, and you can see I've got blog post already done here. So I'm going to go in and we're going to check this out. So I'm going to come into here and we're going to go into edit. So when we go into edit now, we can see we have our blog details up here, and we have our categories and everything else. And you can see this all looks good. And we can also publish the post. So I can hit publish post here. So it's going to tell us that sitemaps are not auto updated, so we can click close to that. That's fine. And you can see that we have this post already here. And if we go into the settings here, then you're going to see this setting up here. So underneath all the settings for SEO and our custom code down here, we also have where we can actually change the post visibility. So again, we can turn featured image off. That's that top image. We can also change this. So post visibility, anyone can view. So it's a public post, or only logged in users. So logged in users would be registered to your site. They might not necessarily have bought anything on your site. They've just registered on your site. Okay, so they paid no money. They've just registered on your site. But of course, if it's a free course, they would also be registered and be able to see this as well. Now, this is where it gets different. When we've got enrolled in a course, they can see it in that course. So you can go enrolled in a course, and then you can select a course or a bundle, and all of those people that are enrolled in that course or that bundle will have access to that blog post. So this is for this blog post. Remember, each blog post you can set up different settings for. So some of them you might have anyone can view. Logged in users you might have that you can have view on that post, or enrolled in a course. So now you have these three areas where you can open it up to your users depending on what you want to do. So an instant of using this might be if you'd set up a certain blog post for people in a particular membership bundle or inside a course in itself, and you just want those to have access to that really important information in those blog posts. So you can just enroll them in a course inside here, select the course or the bundle and add them straight to it, and it's as simple as that. They'll then have access to that when they click the blog. That will then be visible to them, and of course anything outside of that would be visible as well. So anyone can view. If you've got that on particular post, they will show as well. So you now have this option to be able to do this inside of Zenler. So you asked for it, guys, so we've now brought that out. So this is a blog post visibility inside of Zenler. So just quickly before I go, I've clicked here only logged in users for this particular post here. So if I show you in incognito this, you'll see what's available if I'm not logged in. So I am not logged in now, and these are public posts, they're open. So if I log in quickly here, you're going to see that you'll be able to see posts that are logged in. And now you can see the posts that are for logged in users. And of course, if I'm enrolled in a course, again, that would show those ones there as well. So you now have this ability to actually specify where your blog posts are going to pop up, depending on if people are in certain courses, whether they're logged in or whether you want your blog post to be public.